Okay, so this is number 2 on Java programming. And I figured since Java's object-oriented, we might as well go ahead and start with new classes and such. Supporter. Get rid of that part. Useless. First thing we need to do is make a constructor. If I can spell it right. Jeez. Public supporter. Alright. In here you can have parameters like int A, int B, but it's also nice to have variables up here such as private int A, B. Jeez, just can't type right today for some reason. A equals A, this dot B equals B. What this statement does is it gets this A and assigns it to this A, meaning this A is now equal to this one. And now let's make a method. Public int add. And what we're going to do is return 0 because I don't like that red thing there. So we can do it this way: C equals A plus B, and then return C, or you can just return A plus B. So now let's make another one: public sub, just sub. And let's, okay, the same thing here, A minus B, return C. And there's also a thing called Javadoc. It's / * and then enter. It returns A plus B. Return A minus B. And now let's go over here. We already have our scanner as seen in the last video. And we are going to make this. Let's just call it S1. Normally that's what you would do, just that, but our constructor isn't empty, we have parameters. So let's get these parameters. Let's give us 2 numbers. Please. Comma. So, int foo, well, let's just make it A, equals scan.next int B equals scan.next int. What this will do is it'll get one int, and then it'll get the next int that's right beside it. And now we can just pass in AB. And let's do our little operations. Int add equals s1.add. Int sub equals s1.sub. And just to show what Javadoc does, see, returns A minus B. A plus B. And now let's print this out. A product is plus add plus new line. What's it called when you subtract something? I think it's whatever. Subtraction product is plus sub. And this will complete our program. So now let's try it. Give us two numbers. It's there. Let's go with 5 and 3. I do believe 5 plus 3 is 8, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, explanation. When you call this, it does an addition, which is, let me move that down just a little bit. A little less right there. Okay. It calls this right here, and it returns this, int c equals a plus b. And it just, boom. You could have just done a plus b, I guess, and then a minus b, and you'll get the same thing, but so this we'll call this, and down here this produces this. When you add a plus sign inside of a print statement, it adds on something, like you can add a variable, and this is a new line. That's why there's new line right there, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, until the next video.